elegant French courtyard design, luxury sofa, coffee table, and Parisian-style garden furniture. The union of French country charm with contemporary luxury has revolutionized outdoor living, crafting spaces that seamlessly blend historical elegance with modern comfort. This aesthetic captures the romance of provincial France while embracing the sophistication of contemporary outdoor entertainment, resulting in spaces that feel both timeless and current. From intimate courtyard gardens to fully equipped outdoor kitchens, this design approach transforms ordinary backyards into extraordinary retreats. Today's interpretation of French country outdoor spaces reflects a deeper understanding of how modern families live and entertain. Private courtyards become extensions of indoor living spaces, while outdoor kitchens rival their indoor counterparts in both functionality and style. This evolution represents more than just a design trend, it's a reimagining of outdoor living that prioritizes beauty and practicality, creating spaces that can be enjoyed throughout the seasons. At the heart of this design transformation lies the perfect fusion of traditional French aesthetics with contemporary elements. The courtyard garden offers a tranquil oasis featuring a luxurious sofa and coffee table, inviting guests to linger and enjoy the natural beauty that surrounds them. Carefully selected Parisian-style garden furniture, crafted from materials like wrought iron and natural stone, add an air of sophistication and charm reminiscent of classic French gardens. The integration of smart technology and sustainable practices with traditional French design elements demonstrates how classical aesthetics can adapt to contemporary needs. Weather-resistant fabrics that mimic fine indoor textiles ensure comfort without compromising durability, while automated irrigation systems are cleverly disguised within classic parterre gardens. Finally, energy-efficient lighting creates the ambience of vintage lanterns, enhancing evening gatherings with a soft, inviting glow. This harmonious blend of old and new extends beyond aesthetics, inviting a lifestyle that values relaxation and connection. As families gather around elegantly set tables, sharing meals and stories under a sky alight with stars, the French-style courtyard becomes more than a mere backdrop. It evolves into a cherished space where memories are made. Garden design becomes an art form, a testament to the enduring appeal of French style and its ability to evolve with grace and functionality. Ultimately, the elegant French courtyard design symbolizes a celebration of life's simple pleasures, enhanced by luxury and ingenuity. This exquisite outdoor setting serves as a gentle reminder that elegance and practicality need not be mutually exclusive, offering a peaceful, sophisticated refuge infused with the rich heritage of French allure.